Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Tracy. She's come in for a redesign. Well, I say a redesign, but she come in originally for an infill. Tracy always has, she's a gel polish kind of girl over her acrylics, but today she has tried something new and she's going to try the acrylic design. So I debulked that acrylic and I just got it down to a really thin clear layer. I done all the prep work and obviously filled the growth with a very thin layer of clear acrylic, and now I'm going in with application. So here I'm using CJP Apple Shine. Everybody knows it, it's everybody's favorite, I'm pretty sure. And I'm going to create an ombre here. I think I just do the tip and then I come back with the pink. I always do that, I don't know why, it's just habit. So yeah, I'm just creating a nice blend there, and I do that on the middle finger here, pointer finger and the thumb. So now I'm coming in with my pink and I'm using Amor from CJP. These two colours are a match made in heaven. I'm pretty sure Liz Guild made this conversation. Here we go. This combo. Is that combo? Yeah, combination. And it has been an absolute hit with every nail technician that I possibly know. Honestly, they work like a dream. So I'm just blending that down. I wasn't happy, I kind of went down a little bit further. So whenever that happens, I like to just grab the colour and blend upwards. Also, I'm using my CJP Big Boy brush today, and I think I need a new one of those. I don't know what I've done with it. I do like a flat brush at the tip, but I have done something absolutely crazy to the tip of this brush. It is so flat, it's slightly hard to work with now. So yeah, I need a new one. So I'm just going to do that to all those nails, and then I'll be back. Sorry, I got too busy chatting. I forgot that the middle finger and the thumb are going to be ombrayed with Slush Fairy, and the baby and the pointer will be Amor. So the ring finger is going to be a full glitter nail, so I'm just using a Slush Fairy, just like a wash over the entire nail. I then pick up a bead of acrylic, dip into the glitter and just, you know, nudge it around the whole nail. I'm using Diamond Glitter's Angel multimix. It is absolutely stunning, one of my faves. I love any sort of white iridescent glitter that just, you know, you can see here when it goes slightly blurry. I love that kind of glitter. So yeah, just did a full nail of that, and then I come in and cap all the nails in crystal glass. So I didn't record me filing or shaping because I have a video purely dedicated for filing on that, so if you haven't seen it or you've missed it, go and check it out. So now I'm coming in with my top coat. I'm using CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss, of course, and applying that to all 10 fingernails. She cures in the lamp for 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil and that is a set complete. These nails were gorgeous. I was so happy with how they turn out, and so was Tracy. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.